Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that can help you on your weight loss journey. We'll be sharing a delicious and effective recipe for a turmeric drink that can boost your metabolism and aid in shedding those extra pounds. So, let's dive right in. Turmeric is a spice that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Recent research has also suggested that turmeric may have some benefits for weight loss. The main active compound in turmeric is curcumin, which has been shown to have a number of effects that could potentially lead to weight loss, including reducing inflammation, boosting metabolism, reducing fat cell growth, and improving insulin sensitivity. Chronic inflammation is thought to play a role in the development of obesity and other metabolic disorders. Curcumin has been shown to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Curcumin may also help to boost metabolism and increase energy expenditure and help to reduce the growth and size of fat cells. Insulin resistance is a condition in which the body's cells do not respond properly to the hormone insulin. This can lead to weight gain and other health problems. Curcumin may help to improve insulin sensitivity. It is important to note that more research is needed to confirm the effectiveness of turmeric for weight loss. However, the existing evidence suggests that turmeric may be a promising supplement for people who are trying to lose weight. Turmeric can be used in cooking or taken as a supplement. Turmeric is generally safe for most people to take. However, it is important to talk to your doctor before taking turmeric supplements, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking any other medications. Several people have claimed to have found positive weight loss results by drinking a turmeric drink in the morning before breakfast. To prepare this drink, you will need 3 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of grated fresh turmeric or half tablespoon of dry turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of grated or chopped fresh ginger, 1 chopped lemon, honey or maple syrup to taste, optional. For a more flavorful drink, you can add other spices such as cinnamon, cardamom, or black pepper. Instructions. 1. Combine all of the ingredients in a saucepan and bring to a boil over medium heat. 2. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for 10 minutes. 3. Once cold, strain the mixture into a cup and add honey or maple syrup to taste. 4. Drink on an empty stomach before breakfast. Drink 1 cup of this drink every day for 1 week straight and you will start to see results whereby your belly fat gradually melts away. If you are obese, take 2 cups per day and continue drinking it for 30 days. Weight loss gains depend on several factors such as the amount of fat accumulated in your abdomen and how fast your body burns fat. You can make enough drink for a week and keep it in your fridge. Just make sure to warm the portion you will be drinking each morning. This drink is also a great way to boost your immune system, reduce inflammation, and improve digestion. And there you have it, a simple and effective turmeric drink recipe to aid in your weight loss journey. Remember to be consistent and patient, as sustainable weight loss takes time. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.